Good day, creatives and illustrators. Today we are going to be treating how I started my design journey and how I've elevated from grass to grace. So let's dive in. I didn't start big, I didn't start big. I started with just my phone and Pixellab. If you don't know Pixellab, it is a famous design application. You can find the link in my description below and download. At first, I was just playing with text and shapes, but deep down, I knew I loved design. My first flyers, they were rough, but I kept going and pushing, despite the fact that I didn't know anything about graphic design then. Then I paid for my first graphic design class on WhatsApp, just 2K, not that much, from Unique Graphics. That course changed everything for me. I took time to master Pixellab tools, letter, spacing, curve, stroke, shadow, everything. And from there, I grew from basic designs to clean professional work. Now, I'm sharing how I have learned, tips, tutorials, tricks right here. If you are starting small too, please subscribe. Let's grow the design journey together. Feliz Graphics from Pixellab.